So after creating our first app, we named it Contact. So let us go ahead and open this app on our VS Code and try to see what is inside. So let's open our VS Code. All right, after opening our VS Code, let us go ahead and add this folder, my site folder, to our working environment and see what we can do. So come here, add folder, and let's go to desktop and look for Django. See this one here, open inside. Let us just add this, my site. Okay, add. Okay, after adding our project to our VS Code, let's go ahead and look what is inside. As you remember, we created an app called Contact, and as you can see, we have here settings.py, we have this, but if you open the settings, you can see what is in here. We have our installed apps here. So if you successfully created your app, you need to add your app here to install the apps. So we are going to add here our app. So just put this. No, and call it Contact, and let's just put this comma here and save it. Yes, we have already saved here, and let us go and try to look on our specific app what looks like. So if we open our Contact, we have here admin.py. So here we are going to register our models. So on Django, models are like the database you create, and we have apps.py. I'm not going to talk about this time. And models here where we create here our models. So models, as I have said, is how you create your database, like user ID, the name of the class is here, and here is test. I'm not going to talk about this time. And the other thing is views.py. Views.py are like functions. So here is where we write our code. So we write functions to do this and do this. So when we go ahead and after creating our contact app, we are going to write a certain function, which that function will return a certain page, and that page is going to be our contact page. I'm going to explain this later, but just to know, this is where we write our functions. And so the other thing I'm going to do is that I have a template on my desktop. Yeah, this is the template I have. It's on my desktop. So I'm going to assume on our contact page we are going to have this form here. So people will have to write their names here, their email, their subject and message. When they submit send mail, we need to receive an email notification that someone with this name, with this email, has contacted us. So this is the function of a contact page. So I'm going to integrate this template to my app, and we can see how this works. So first of all, this time we just have to make sure that we do all the settings just to make sure that we have this page displaying from our contact page like this. So this is just a normal HTML, but we're going to make this to display like this one here. So if we go back to our VS Code, as I said earlier, here we are going to write our own functions. So those functions are going to render this template here, and it's very simple, but it takes some few steps. So on the next video, I'm going to show you how we are going to create templates, and those templates, how they can be rendered to display our HTML page. So let's see you on another video. Thank you.